Okay. Hello everyone. Hello, my name is Abdul Ghani Omar and welcome to this demonstration of our soccer club management system. The system is designed to help you manage various aspects of soccer club, including team and player management and match scheduling and result tracking. So the goal is to provide an easy to use platform for club administrator to keep everything organized and accessible. So let's start with quick overview of our identity relationship diagram. As you can see in the diagram, so here you can see the main identities, which is players, teams, and match and game and coaches. So teams, for example, this one to many because players, a lot of a lot of players belongs to one teams, and only one teams belongs to a lot of players. For example, 11 players belongs to only one teams, and one team only belongs to a lot of players. So as you can see, this the identity, and these are the attributes. And also, as you can see here, is like n many to many because teams participates participate in many matches in order to win the cup. So and match has a lot of teams on it. So for example, one afternoon, a lot of teams will play in one time in different field. So is money to money relationship. And also here, as you can see, is coach is one to money because only one coach can manage one team, and many teams has many coaches, which is like coach assistant and the coach. So is one to many. And now let's demonstrate our let's demonstrate the user's interface. So for example, first of all, I just want to show you the Skillite that I'm using Skillite 3. So this is Skillite 3, and then I just want to open soccer database, and then I will do select from, I need to select teams. So this mod column, and then do it again. And then for now I have four team, and the team ID, as you can see here, the teams has my team ID is the primary key, and here is the primary key. So and that's it. If I can show you another thing, but just I'm using Skeleton to show you that I'm using for now Skeleton, and I'll exit. Okay, so now I'll use the Python socket interface dot py. So as you can see now, all the main menu from interface. So I'm using Python, and so now let's do it. Just list all the team, and now we have all the team. And if you wanna add one team, let's press 2, and for example, let's Man United. and so it's gonna ask you. So let's say Belgium, for example. So as you can see, is added successfully, and we can play like that and add. If we want to update manage team manager, we can do it. For example, let's press T. So ID, for example, what the team ID. So I need to look what club I need to update the manager is one. So press one and Zizou. So that's it. And also, if I want to delete a team, let's press 4 and delete team Man City. So I can delete team Man City. Okay, so the Man City is okay. I can delete. Okay, so let me go back. I can delete 4, delete. Okay, instead of saying, cause like I made a mistake by writing the name, but I need to write the team ID, the number of the team. In this situation is gonna be I want to delete this. It's gonna be 4. So that's the primary key for me, and I delete it. So let's go back to see. I delete main city. So I delete it. So now I have all the teams. As you can see, also I'll show you the list players. So press 5. So, so then all the list players I have, for example, Lionel Messi, Steady Ford, and Contact, and what team it belongs. So the team it belongs is, for example, Barcelona. That's it. And also, if you wanna list, if you wanna list a match, so let's say match. So how many match we have is like, for example, for us is like team ID, and then the primary key is always is like the ID, and also that's the team. So for example, at this time and location is like infield, which is the Liverpool Stadium, and also this the club Liverpool won the game, which for 2-0, and and also if you wanna know uh, if you wanna add match, for example here you can add match, what match we want to add date. So we will do exactly the date like this. So it's going to be 2024 12 24. That's it. And so the location, let's say uh, TD Stadium, and also result. So the result has to be like this, and then we'll say Juventus 3 to 2 Liverpool, Liverpool FC. As you can see, in front, just wanna make it capital, and that's it. So if you wanna list all matches, 9, as you can see that we add the ID. It's gonna automatically add the ID, but we add the date and location and result. So this is how it's supposed to be. And finally, I think we should stop there.